going to illustrate how to copy a quiz within a course. Sometimes we have a quiz that we like, but we want two copies of it so that we can just tweak it, make a little changes. We want the original version, but we want a different version also. So I'm going to show you how to copy a quiz. Now really stick with me on this because it starts kind of looking scary, but if you maybe make notes while you're watching this and just follow step by step, you can totally do it. All right, so we're going to go into the settings of the course, and the settings are over here on the left-hand side of your screen. So we're going to go over here. Notice where the mouse is, over here on the left-hand side of your screen, and click Settings. And so this may be a screen you're not familiar with. Don't worry about it. Just get past all this stuff, and let's go over here to the right now and find where it says Import Course Content. Import Course Content. Click on Import Course Content. And now we're going to go to Content Type, hit the little drop down arrow, and you're going to copy a Canvas course. All right, now this is where you need to know the name of your course, and the way to know the name of your course is to look right up here. The name of my course is Berry Sandbox. Your course may have a different name that's kind of funky looking because it may be the name that was assigned to you. Whatever it is, just pay attention to whatever it is up here. And you're going to start typing it right here where it says course name. So I'm going to start typing in Berry Sandbox. There it is. It comes up right down here. Click on it. Now this little thing is going to pop up. And all it's going to say is, hey, you're inside that course. Yeah, you know that. So that's fine. So just ignore that. All right, over here, this is super important. You only want to bring in select specific content, okay? Don't click all content. You're going to end up doubling up on everything you've got in your course. You don't want to do that. Click select specific content. Boop. Click that. And then click import. All right, when you do that, this blue button is going to pop up over here. This is going to allow you to go pick out the quiz you want to duplicate. So click Select Content. And now here's all the stuff in your course. This is everything that's in your course. But what you're wanting to duplicate is that one quiz. So hit this drop down arrow. And this is a copy of all the quizzes that you have made in your course. And I have one particular quiz that I made for this video. Let me see if I can find it. I really could use, practice quiz to duplicate. All right, so when you find the quiz that you want to duplicate, click the little box next to it. It has a little check mark now. And click Select Content. At that point, the computer is going to start moving it. You're going to give it a few minutes, and already it has completed it. So now let's go over to our quizzes and make sure that it happened. So by doing that, I'm going to go back over to the left-hand side of the screen and click Quizzes. And when you click Quizzes, you're going to be able to see all the stuff, all your quizzes that you've ever made. And I'm going to see if I have 2 copies of my duplicated quiz. Let's see, I believe I named it Practice Quiz to Duplicate. Let me see if I can find it. I have a lot of duplicated quizzes anyway. Yep, here we go. Practice Quiz to Duplicate. It worked, and so now I have 2 copies of it. If I were you, I would go in and change the name of one of them and keep the name of the other so that you have them, with 2 different names so you can tell the difference. Anyway, there you go. That's how you duplicate a quiz.